Don't need the question. No, thanks. Yeah, you can ask me the question. Oh, okay, cool. Great. Excellent. There are lots of ideas in abstraction. There are lots of ideas that are originating out of India. There are lots of products that are originating out of India, whether it's business to business products or business to consumer products coming out of India. Every possible service or every possible product line that you have now has got a digital side to it. And the digital side surely has an experience and an interface and all that kind of stuff, right? That's growing quite a bit. So technically, if you look at the three teams that actually works on these pieces, one is the business team, one is the technology team, and third is the design team. The business teams and technology teams already exist in India. I mean, across the world, honestly, business and technology teams are thinking about these ideas, and what user experience design can really do is it can make this abstraction much more tangible through ability of actually putting the human beings who are going to be users first, thinking about what they will go through and converting that into probable workflows and even prototypes that without investing on technology or too much money on the business itself, you can start seeing how products will look. That ability to do that is in great demand in three areas: in small and medium enterprises or startups, in large enterprises where there are technology initiatives and stuff like that needs to be quickly prototyped and approved. Third is not-for-profit organizations, which is just about coming up because they also realize that they need technology to make their entire causes way more effective. That's growing on one side, but the number of people who actually have the skill to do user experience design are less. So this gap has got to be filled, and I don't think it's going to fill so easily for the next 10 years, for sure. So I would think that gap will exist. Until the gap exists, your career exists. User experience design is also something that is moving very fast, which essentially means with the advent of AR and VR, voice interfaces and gestural interfaces, with the advent of AI, things are moving very fast. So if you actually have the basics, the ability to grow in user experience design is quite a bit. So that's what is going to happen as a career, and it's kind of the way I see it in the future. It's going to be a sustained career that will never go out of fashion. Talking about what's the growth path, right? Like what's the growth path for? I think all of us, including me, we started out as design practitioners. When you're a student, you actually finish your course and stuff like that, and kind of earn the skill that you actually went for, earn the skill, come out, and you kind of start as a practitioner. And practice is about ability to do it well at one level, right? But the second demand for that is from practitioner, you will move to collaborator, ability to work with technology team and business team to come up with stuff that is brilliant. And the third thing is that you will be able to mentor other people to be like how you've been working with, which is a mentor. And after that, you'll be able to manage. Now, there is a difference between mentoring and managing. Mentoring is about the ability to grow the skills in another person. Managing is the ability to support and make them thrive in what they do. So that is the managing part. Then you will become a strategist in user experience design. Design strategists are big right now because people want to know what to do next in products, what to do next in any of the initiatives that are happening. And the last one, if everything goes well, you can potentially become an entrepreneur. You can become a senior manager. That's the growth path, I would think.